To add Zendrop to Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify account and navigating to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type in Zendrop and click on the result to open the Zendrop app page. Click the Add App button to install the Zendrop app on your Shopify store. Once the app is installed, you will be redirected to the Zendrop dashboard. Here, you need to connect your Shopify store to Zendrop by clicking on the Connect Shopify Store button. You will be prompted to enter your Shopify store URL and click Add Shopify Store. After connecting your store, you will need to set up your Zendrop account by filling out the required information, including your name, email address, and password. You will also need to agree to the terms and conditions of using the Zendrop app. Once your account is set up, you can start using Zendrop to find and add products to your Shopify store. To do this, navigate to the Products tab in the Zendrop dashboard and browse through the available products. You can filter products by category, price, and other criteria to find the ones that best fit your store. When you find a product you want to add to your store, click on the Add to Store button. You will be prompted to set the product price, description, and other details. Make sure to customize the product information to fit your store's branding and style. After adding products to your store, you can manage your orders and track your sales through the Zendrop dashboard. You can also use the dashboard to communicate with suppliers and resolve any issues that may arise. To get the most out of Zendrop, make sure to regularly monitor your store's performance and adjust your product offerings and pricing strategy as needed. You can use Shopify's built-in analytics tools to track your sales and customer behavior, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your store's performance. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully add Zendrop to your Shopify store and start selling products to your customers. With Zendrop, you can access a wide range of products and suppliers, and easily manage your orders and sales through a single dashboard.